Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to another video on Gann grid and percentage. This is this part 2 of Gann grid, how to apply the Gann grid and how to use the Gann grid on different time frame, different values. And believe me, it's a first product in my whole career and in history of MQL blogs and all. It's a first auto dynamic grid maker, Gann grid maker. And see, it's in completely new logic. Nobody tried to apply the percentage distance, the percentage value, the price distance, the percentage value, and their dividers. There are two parts, half of value. Like Gann said, 6.25, 3125, and 6.25. Other is another one is 625. 12.5, 25, 25%, 50%, 33%, 66%, obviously 75 and 100% values. These are the Gann percentage. So we are using just half of that and full value and half values. See here, the 1.56 and is double 3125. How many dividers is there? 1, 2, 3. These are three different dividers in two midpoints. So it's make a dynamic grid and it's an excellent grid on a chart. Yesterday, I was shocked. It's my apology again. And I was made a grid with some different percentage. So distance of turning point, distance of grid, both having a different. So right now, no lagging anywhere. Simply you need to click on any major high or any major low and just plot in complete all your on your complete chart. Now take a look. This one is a intraday time frame. GBP USD. We also going to look at Indian market or another stock market. So no worry about it. I'll try to discuss in same video all these things. See what happened. What I am using in that dynamic grid. Here is a grid 256. It's 8 multiple. Here is a scale 16. It's also 8 multiple. Here is level count 24. Is no matter. You can increase it to 150, whatever you want. Maybe major high and low. So you can apply. You can increase or decrease the level easily. You find out here is solid or dotted. If you need dash dot or different line style. Line thickness as well as, and here is a button setting if you need some smaller buttons or bigger buttons, whatever you want. Let me take a look here. My screen is 15 point something, so I just place the button on the left side because right side is so far from here to here now. So go speed up, delete all. I'm just click on major high, switch to falling, and just click on major high, and I'll take some this one from start to here. Okay, it's perfect. So no worry about it. Okay, it's a here's turning point. Is a second one is a turning point. Third one, fourth one is one candle spike. Yes, obviously some of time, but here is also moving downside. But in that condition, market consolidation more and more time, and after that is maybe it's a mid opening time of the same value. And let me do something here. Okay, see the major turning point, major low, exactly 3125 the percentage value, and exact the intersection point, and 3155 also a turning point. It's so complicated. Simply you take a look here. Here also somewhere this one is a higher close. Market came back. Every intersection point have a precious entry and exit points. See, it's almost high. See the bottom exact low. Market turned up to first square, second square, third square, or third block grid, and see the high. exactly the higher close value on an intersection point came back to down, and how many grids, 1, 2 and 2.5. So there is symmetrical here. Again and again you've got different values and different things, but no worry, right now our grid is world finest grid. Now you can take a scale 0 and you find out the support and resistance value with the same grid values. I think we need to take a 50% of that, 256, 512, because I also need a midpoint of that, these percentage. Also go falling at, now it's all percentage, 1.7 at 1.36, 1.56250 is intraday, so easy to find out. See the higher value, 19568. So once you find out the rhythm of a market, where the market working on which percentage, need some practice with that. And once you find out the rhythm of any stock, after that the percentage gives you a, as in your trading, beautifully supported with highly accurate strategy. Gann also using in their methods how much percentage market moves higher or lower, or sometimes how the turning point can be found out with the price reversals. So percentage basically supporting tool for price reversal points. Okay, take a look. It's a GBP USD. Right now, you also already we discussed on previous video. There is a gold. It's a gold chart at one time frame. So simply no worry about it. Here, I'm just plot what I did. Take here the decimal is different, so no need for multiple zeros. It's 4 cent. 256 divider is also numeric values, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and whatever. And here also 8, 16, 64, 128, 256, 512. Okay, so apply if you need a more median point and smaller grid and minor turning points as well. So just increase the divider with the multiple of that or half of value. Half of this value means you can add the 256 plus 64, 384 and 64 plus 32, 96, like that. Okay, so just click on that and it's a major high in that time. Just click to falling and just place here, and now see what happened with the chart, how many turning points you got and how accurately it's performing. See here, second candle exactly hit the grid, and when the time came, it's move up. See every point. This one is missed from the. It's almost, it's 50% of that. Don't worry, it's exactly 50% of the square value. It's completely square. There is a no lagging. It's based on trend lines and some percentage levels. High, high. Okay, there is a value of where low, low side. The intersection of two grid, see exact high on that is 8.98. The percentage value is 58598. So you can apply anywhere, any commodity or stock. Simply, you can also use 128. Just to falling. See what happened. The major turning points. You got a major turning point is also intersection point. Is a high value, low value. This makes a low. And another thing is moving on a direction move when the channel came. the next grid, follow the next grid. There is a lots of method. So go some research on a Gann grid. Go on your browser and just find out how to work with the Gann grids and what is the benefit of that. But don't worry, it's our tool is completely no lagging tool, and there is based on percentage, price percentage movement. So the behavior is completely different. See, it's a different Gann grid. This one is need to be scaled, something like that. We don't know where to plot and where to put on that. So lots of way there to find out the people look like that on that point, and they match with the 45-degree angle. So there is a different method to apply, but no need to more knowledge, no need for any experience with Gann methods. Simply you can find out the tool and just try to apply everywhere, and it's completely the fine-tuned product. The falling is the highest high. Sorry, it's zoom. This matter. Exact low found here. Here is once turned, and then after when the market 50% moved, then came back to down. Okay, now came on Indian market. It's a Bajaj Finance daily, and see how it's accurately performing with the Gann grid, and it's my percentage grid. It's not normal grid. Each and every intersection point, and see what is the parameter behind that. Using price divided 12 because it's a part of 4, 8, and their halves. Half of 4, 2. So 8 multiplied by 2, 16, minus 4, 12. Okay, scale is 32. Simple. Level is 10. Bajaj Finance daily. See, find out every intersection point have major turning points all time. Recent value from here, but it's tested again and came back. Last candle of low, lower close. See the Nifty somewhere here. It's a 6-minute time frame. 192 is also a 128 plus 64. Sorry, 96. 96 multiplied by 2. Scale 0. Here is I'm using 4. So you can apply this one and see high, low. There is a smallest high. It's also a high. So you can apply with a different one, with the different values. If you need to draw from low, you can draw here and see how beautifully it takes a support again and again. Market comes down, market makes a low, and after that it goes to the upside. More days, not more days, it's the same day, 6-minute time frame. Okay, it came back to down. It's also a turning point. Here also a turning point. It's an intraday turning point, don't worry. Okay, here major low, market goes up. Here major high, C is 16 point, higher point, and is so on. So don't worry, if anybody interested to join our course, so we learn in the course how to work with that and how to apply the different methods and different price values with the different market style. Okay, I hope you understand how to apply the Gann grid, my tool, and go to buy if anybody interested in that, or if any previous client already bought my product from MQL or anywhere. So please update soon. This is a major update, never ever seen before. Hope you understand my concept, and if any other query, more information, maybe we will share you on another next video on same topic. Thank you very much. Thank you.